Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, we are going to discuss about that how we can create account on Binance. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Google Chrome. So let's start. So as you can see, I have opened the Google Chrome. Now we have to write the sentence here, how to create. So as you can see, after pressing the enter, Google will show you some steps. If you want to do this, you can also create account with using these steps. Or if you want to see all the things in detail, you can also do that. So as you can see, here's the link. This is provided by the officials of the Binance. So we have to open this link. So I'm going to open this. So as you can see, after clicking on the link, you can see the details. They have provided all the details that how we can do that. You can register for a Binance account with your email address, phone number, or your Google account on the Binance easily with a few steps, with a few taps. So as you can see, how to register for a personal account on the Binance app. They have provided all the steps which are written here. If you want to see, you can also create account following these screenshots as well. They have provided the screenshots as well. So as you can see, they have provided the second step, and this is the screenshot. You have to click on this icon. After clicking on this icon, you have to scroll down, and as you can see, they have again written all the info here that what you have to do. And after that, they have also provided the screenshot here again. Now you have to scroll down, and after scrolling down, as you can see, they have provided the links and all the things here, email and phone number and what. Simply what you have to do, first of all, you have to search the sentence as I did, and after that, you have to open. After opening this link, you need to read these all carefully. And after opening this link, as you can see, they have provided all the information. You need to read these all carefully. And after reading this, you have to follow the screenshots. And after that, your account will be created. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can create account on Binance. So see you guys in the next video.